the Supreme Court has ruled that before any person is held in contempt of the a house or any committee thereof, he must be given due process, meaning a chance to explain, Your Honor.
Mainit na balita. Legal counsel ng kampo ni Pastor Apollo QUIBOLOY na si Atty.Topacio hindi natinag sa mga congressman sa naganap na hearing sa Committee on Legislative Franchise na kung saan ay pinapatawag din ang di umano'y may-ari ng SMNI Network na si Pastor Apollo QUIBOLOY. Pinakita din ni Atty.Topacio na talagang alam niya ang batas bilang isang legal counsel at pinatunayang veterano na talaga siya pagdating sa mga ganitong bagay.
Magandang hapon po, Mr. Chair, Your Honors. May I be recognized, Your Honor?
Yes, you are.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, with respect to the motion and with all due respect, we believe we have provided legal justification for the non-presence of Pastor Apollo QUIBOLOY in our letter to the committee, Your Honor, wherein the gist of it states that based on the previous hearings of this honorable committee, we have an idea of the information being required, and we have stated in this letter, Your Honors, very respectfully, that Pastor QUIBOLOY for around 4 years now has had no hand whatsoever in the running of SMNI, whose franchise is under consideration, Your Honor. Instead, to show our good faith and our due respect to this honorable committee, and to show that we are not evading the subpoena, Your Honors, we have brought with us 3 persons who are in the best position, more than Pastor QUIBOLOY, and who have been the ones active since 2022 in the affairs of the Kingdom of Jesus Christ, which are the current executive pastor of the KJOC and his top staff, Attorney Eunice Ambrosio and Maria Norfeli Marimon, Your Honors. So with respect to the kingdom, they are the ones who possess the necessary competence to answer whatever questions this honorable committee may throw at them, Your Honors.
Sa kasagsagan naman ng hearing, ay nagkaroon ng tensyon sa pagitan ni Congressman Johnny Pimentel na talagang desididong ipasight in contempt si Pastor Apollo QUIBOLOY, bagay na nilinaw naman ni Atty.Topacio at ipinaliwanag ayon sa batas.
Mr. Chair, we understand the explanation of Atty. Topacio, but the fact still remains that Pastor QUIBOLOY has not appeared in this committee. You are presenting actually 3 persons that you have just mentioned to explain whatever questions or whatever clarifications are needed. As you have stated, they are well versed with regards to the operations of Swarasug. But the matter at hand, Mr. Chair, I believe, still remains is a non-appearance of Pastor QUIBOLOY. I move to cite for contempt Pastor QUIBOLOY, Mr. Chair.
Thank you very much, the Honorable Pimentel. Atty.Topacio.
Your Honor, we will always submit to the discretion of the committee with just the very respectful and gentle reminder, Your Honors, that in the very recent case of Ong versus Senate Blue Ribbon Committee, the Supreme Court has ruled that before any person is held in contempt of the a house or any committee thereof, he must be given due process, meaning a chance to explain, Your Honor. We are just invoking this right on behalf of Pastor QUIBOLOY because our Constitution itself states that the rights of persons invited to congressional hearings should be respected, Your Honor. That is all that we ask, Your Honor. Nothing else.
Thank you, Atty.Topacio.
Just for it.
So, maraming salamat, Atty.Topacio. Wala na po kayong i-manifest. May tanong lang po ko. Alam po, pwede po ba ako magtanong?
Of course, Your Honor, you're the chairman.
Siyempre. Kasi pinadala ho namin yung subpoena February 20, no? At ito ay publicized naman. At bakit po Sa March 11 lang po kayo nagpadala ng sulat. At nauna po ho ang media kasi tumatawag po sa akin ang media at sabi ko sa kanila, hindi ko po pwede sagutin yan dahil wala po akong natatanggap na sulat. True enough, sila ko yung records, natanggap lang ho namin yung sulat nyo kahapon, March 11. Tapos may amended letter at March 12 today. Umarap po yung isang abogado ninyo. So, why did it take you so long to write us that letter?
Kasi po, hindi po ako involved, Mr. Chair, doon sa previous mga hearings. So, nireview ko pa po yung video ng mga hearings para mapagtanto ko po kung ano yung mga maaring itanong based on the trend. At yun nga po, coupled with the fact that Pastor QUIBOLOY has been out of the day-to-day or even the general operations of SMNI or Suarasug, Your Honor, because he has decided to concentrate on purely spiritual matters, ay lumiham po kami. Yung unang liham po kasi, pasensya na po kayo, we meant no disrespect to the committee, Mr. Chair. Kanya lang, noong ibibigay na po namin dito, napansin po namin may typographical errors lang naman po, kaya ni-revise po namin.
Which was received today.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
Typographical errors lang po ang
So that's why the first letter we received March 11, the second letter we received today
Opo.
at the day of the hearing.
Opo,
Yes.
pero it's basically the same, Your Honor. We did not want to spring any surprise. It's just typographical errors, Your Honor.
Thank you very
We apologize because of the tight schedule of this representation. We profoundly apologize to the committee and to the chair.
Thank you very much.
Walang kabading sinagot ng veteranong abogado ang mga pang-uusig ng mga congressman tungkol daw sa di pagsipot ni Pastor Apollo QUIBOLOY. At tila ba ay may pabilong sagot pa ito.
I'm quite baffled no dahil he mentioned that kaya hindi pupunta dahil wala siya dun sa day-to-day activity, yung pagpapatakbo ng SMNI, hindi niya alam. In fact, there are 3 resource speakers that can answer that. My main question lang here, kung gano'n man pala, may invitation siya, bakit ayaw niyang pumunta? Then let him explain to us kung ano talaga ang role niya dun sa SMNI. And aside from that, probably there are still other questions that can be raised. Yun lang naman ang quite baffling on my part na bakit ayaw niyang pumunta. Na kung confident naman siya na he has no idea how yung SMNI operates day-to-day basis. Yun lang po, Mr. Chairman.
May I respond, Mr. Chair? Actually po, at wag niyo na pong sisihin si Pastor, ako na pong sisihin niyo, Honorable Franz Pumaren, sapagkat ako po yung nagpayo sa kanya. While the details of the advice may be covered by lawyer-client privilege, ako po yung sabi kay Pastor na since ang nakikita ko po sa trend ay tungkol naman sa alleged violations ng prangkisa ng SMNI, ay since wala naman po kayong kinalaman at ang inyong titulo na honorary chairman ay purely honorific as the name suggests, sabi ko upang hindi naman paipakita naman natin na ginagalang po natin yung proseso ng kagalang-galang na committee ito, ay tayo na po magdala ng mga tao na maaaring makasagot dun sa mga yon. Ngayon po, I want to take this opportunity with the kind indulgence of my congressman in Parañaque, the chair, kung mamarapating nyo lamang naman po, kami po ay magalang na humihiling na baka naman po mga kagalang-galang na kinatawan na bigyan po na naman kami. Kahit konting panahon lang po na magpaliwanag at baka naman po makausap ko rin siya at baka naman po makita niya na baka naman pwede siyang dumating sa susunod. Konting pagkakataon lamang po, rest assured that we will be prompt in our response, Mr. Chair and members of the Honorable Committee. In fact, I'm scheduled to meet with him tomorrow, Your Honors, if I may inform this Honorable Committee, and I will advise him accordingly, Honorable Pumaren.
Thank you, Atty.Topacio.
Hindi din niya pinalampas at binanatan din niya ang mga pilit na mungkahi ng mga congressman na talagang ipasight in contempt si Pastor na talagang matapang niyang tinutulan at sinagot ayon sa mga karapatan ni Pastor.
We know very well that kahit na ano pang sabihin ni Atty.Topacio, he was hired by Pastor QUIBOLOY as a legal counsel. Pastor QUIBOLOY, these are just delaying tactics. Even though na mag-hearing na naman tayo next, iba na namang rason ng lila ibibigay. Mag-hearing na naman tayo, ikapitong hearing, ibang rason na naman. When will this be concluded?
Yes, Your Honor.
So that confirms that he's still in the Philippines.
Yes, of course, Your Honor. He's not going anywhere, Your Honor.
O, kasi may mga balita na nag-ibang bansa na daw siya at
Ay, hindi po. Magpapakuha po ako ng litrato at ipa-viber ko po sa mga members ng committee.
I trust you, Attorney.
Thank you po.
So, on his proper time, Mr. Chair, I would second the motion of Congressman Pimentel.
Anyway,
Thank
Mr.
you,
Chairman,
Don.
ganito lang po. Kasi the legal counsel of Pastor QUIBOLOY is asking for a reconsideration. Is that correct?
We are asking for time to explain, Your Honor, because as the rules state, the failure to appear must be without legal justification. So we are willing in whatever time allotted to us, Your Honors, so as to obviate any suspicion that this representation is delaying. Actually, ayoko nga pong ma-delay. May lakad po kami ng abroad ng misis ko next week eh. Pero kung kinakailangan po ay isakripisyo po natin yon. Ngunit I also understand the misgivings of the Honorable Johnny Pimentel that indeed these hearings have been going on for quite some time. But ang akin lamang po, Your Honor, is perhaps the committee would rather err on the side of constitutional rights rather than expediency. Yun lang naman po ang aking humble appeal sa chair at saka sa mga miyembro ng committee ito. Salamat po. We will always bow, as I said, Your Honor, to the discretion of the Honorable Committee, of course, subject to my humble reiteration of our appeal, Your Honor.
Topacio, the chair
Thank you, Your
recognizes
Honor.